Hello and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Today I'm at work for most of the day, and then at the end of the day I'll be at home. I've even got a little grocery haul to show you guys. Make sure you hit subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of my other plant-based inspiration. Here's my favorite morning drink. If you have been watching my videos, you know that I drink this every morning, and I drink a similar version at night. I will link the video where I give you the full recipe above. And I have a discount code for you for my coffee replacement, Earth Chimp plant-based protein powder. Tons of stuff for a healthy gut. I'll leave it below. I'm at work now. I'm taking my mushroom complex. So I love to take a mushroom supplement because of the fact that mushrooms are so powerful. This has reishi mushrooms, which strengthen your immune cells and lower blood pressure. It's got cordyceps, which strengthen the body after exhaustion or long-term illness. Everybody, please check out my dress. Look how cute it looks. I feel like I'm really trimming up, and this dress really shows it. So I had to brag a little bit. And here is the rest of my supplements. I'm going to link all of these down below so you can check them out and just click on them, take a look, see what you think. I take a vitamin D when I'm not exposed to sunlight. It's just a little spray, and it's made by My Kind Organics. I take a woman's Pro Daily. That is, it's not necessary, but I like to take it. It's for women's health, and it's just herbs. It's literally herbs in a capsule. Like I'm not one that's like, oh, supplements. I love to take stuff that like is all holistic. It just has a veggie capsule around it. That's all, and it's easier for me. I've got my Ancient Bliss Sea Moss, which I've been taking every day, and I've done tons of research on, and I love how it is like really helped with clearing up mucus. And it's just really awesome. I love that I'm finally on the sea moss train, and I've got my vitamin B12 that I take every day, no matter what. That is like a no matter what for vegans. That's just, that goes without saying. I'm sure you know that. So B12, also by My Kind Organics. It's just a spray in the mouth, and it's all whole food plant-based. It's all made of wholesome ingredients, all organic. I'm going to eat breakfast now, and so I'm going to the break room where I'm going to heat up you can already tell, my cauliflower rice, and I put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. I've been on a huge cauliflower rice kick, and let me show you the soup. I posted on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go check me out, The Busy Vegan Mom. I made this. It's literally all made out of canned food for the most part. It was quick. It was easy. This is a white bean and sweet potato chili. I just kind of followed a recipe that I found online, but made it my own and changed some stuff up. Like I did green beans instead of celery, or I added sweet potatoes instead of bell peppers. Like I really made it my own. And it was so good. Like it was so good. It even has cream corn in it. I couldn't stop eating it once I made it. Yeah, it's so good. So I'm going to be look at this big like thing. Can't even think of what this tool is called right now. Like when you barbecue, obviously it's not mine. I find it in the drawer every time I come to open something in the break room. I take it and I just like stab whatever I'm trying to open it. It's like a pitchfork looking thing that they use when they do barbecues here. So I'm just adding even more veggies, getting even more yummy nutrients, and filled up with the cauliflower and the leftover sweet potato and white bean chili. That is so good. So good. And as you saw, I ate an apple also. I always eat I swear between 3 and 5 apples a day. I love to start a meal with an apple. A lot of times I like to end a meal with an apple, and they're a great snack. I'm just obsessed. So I always order several bags of apples at a time. I get organic apples, and I get them from Aldi's. And there's my food all mixed up. You see all the colors. It has every color in it except for like blue or purple, but it's got red, and love getting all those colors in. Here's me eating another apple. I love apples. They're high in vitamin C, obviously, but they're just I think they're my favorite. I really think so. They're easy. You don't have to worry about cutting anything up. You just start eating it. It's lunchtime now. I am heating up more cauliflower rice. I'm just I'll eat the same thing for weeks, and then I'll move on to something else. So cauliflower rice and sweet potatoes has seemed to be my theme all week long. And what I do is when I'm at work, if I've got 2 sweet potatoes, I will poke holes in them, rinse them off, put them in the microwave for 5 minutes on one side and then 5 minutes on the other. Here is my blue agave organic sauce made by Yellowbird. You guys know I love my sauce, and I've been working with this company for a while now, and I'm always turning everybody onto this sauce. I'm telling you, if you have not tried this flavor in particular, is my favorite. They have many great flavors, but blue agave sriracha is my favorite, and this is the organic kind. You've got to try it out. If you've never ordered from them before, I have a 20% off discount code for you. You will not be sorry. It's so good. I put it on everything. It's addicting. It's good, and it's got all good stuff in it. There's no nasty ingredients in here, and it's oil-free, low-fat, and you won't go back to regular sriracha, I promise. Eating a pear, and now went home, and I've got my Aldi's grocery haul. It's been working out to where it seems like every time I'm doing these videos, I'm getting a grocery haul at the same time, so I'm able to show you guys what I got for the week that follows into the weekend. And so I'll show you. I'm already eating a banana, and so was Berkeley. We were out of bananas, and poor thing's been asking for bananas for 2 days, and I'm like, we don't have any. So I got a whole lot in our grocery order. So I have some zucchini here. And zucchini's not quite in season yet, but I'm using it as a replacement in a dish that I'm going to be making over the weekend. They also accidentally sent me this romaine. I did not order that, and they accidentally sent me those strawberries. I think they did it as a replacement because they didn't give me my pineapple. I really wanted pineapple. It's really good right now. It's in season. As you see, I've got some canned green beans and some apples. I thought I was getting like 2 onions, like single onions. They gave me 3 bags of onions. So I have tons of onions, but you know what? I use stuff all the time. I make stuff that needs onions, so it's better to have them than to not. I've got some broccoli for a dish that I'm making. I've got this jambalaya mix. It's kind of like a knockoff Zatarain's because I'm going to be making a veggie gumbo. I'm so excited about it. It's going to be so good. Like I already know I'm going to make it in the crock pot. Got a tons more of cauliflower rice, and then I've got another thing of applesauce. I was just replacing the one that we had in the refrigerator, but I didn't realize I had 2 more in the pantry. And I've got a bag of peas in there for Berkeley, some baking potatoes, some sweet potatoes, and I'm going to be making one of these big yummy looking potatoes for me. And since they sent me this romaine, I'm like, heck, I'm gonna make me a salad. I didn't eat till late. I was getting Berkeley squared away. You guys, she's been sleeping in her own big girl bed for 2 weeks now, and I can't believe it. And also in that same time period has stopped drinking her baba. Like she's just started drinking it's like a Mickey Mouse cup, a sippy cup that my mom sent home or my stepdad sent home, and now she's drinking out of it, and we've not done baba. She's slept in her big girl, but I'm like, she just like grew up overnight. And I knew this, I'm blown away. Moms, dads, I know you relate. So we're going to talk about some zucchini. I am cutting up some little zucchini strips here because I'm going to put it in my salad. They do this at Jason's Deli, you know, the salad I've shared the last couple videos from what I ate over the weekend. And they just cut up these strips, and they're really good, and they're filling, believe it or not, for being a non-starchy veggie. I don't know, just the way that because to me, zucchini and squash do feel starchy, but they're actually not. Isn't that weird? So we've got some health benefits of zucchini. It's rich in nutrients, high in antioxidants. It contributes to healthy digestion. It can reduce your blood sugar levels. It may improve your heart health. Remember, like I've shared with you guys, if it's green, it's for the heart. And one of you had requested that I do a video talking about the chakra system and like what foods I eat to bring different energy centers in my body into alignment. If that is something that you guys would have an interest in, let me know in the comments of the energetic body, stuff like that, and like what foods help to bring different parts of the body into alignment. Please let me know. I am making that same yummy oil-free dressing that I got from a fellow YouTuber. It's literally just equal parts spicy mustard, equal parts balsamic vinegar, equal parts maple syrup. You guys, it is so amazing. And I love, fat-free. The flavor is the best, and you can just whip it up by pouring, 2 tablespoons of each or whatever. And that was enough for my salad. It's so good, the perfect amount of sweet and savory. And here's my salad. I've got my romaine all cut up, and then my little zucchini strips. And I'm not going to waste what I've got on the spoon there, so I'm just dabbing it down. And I'm just going to pour it and drizzle it all on. And it was just enough, like I said, for the salad. I even had a little bit left over in the bowl where I was able to dip my potato in it afterwards. The potatoes, I'm telling you, they were like, I didn't even have to put anything on my potato, which was pretty crazy. But I love that. I love that my taste buds are getting more and more dependent on maybe more salt, or maybe I just appreciate the potato in its regular form. I just love them. I could eat them forever. And I feel like I'm going to. I say that now, but I literally could. They're so filling, so good for you, and you can do so much with them. So here's my beautiful, when they're big, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's a big potato, because sometimes you get a bag with a whole bunch of little ones, which I love those too, but when you get a big one, it's just exciting. There is my salad that was nice and flavorful, and I filled up, of course, on my big bowl of salad, getting that nice crunch in and filling up with those green veggies before eating the starch. They say if you eat the green veggies or your veggies before, it helps to, what's the right word I'm looking for? They say it does something with whatever you eat afterwards. I don't know how to articulate that. Helps to, I can't think of it. If you guys know what I'm talking about, leave it in the comments below. Help me out, because I just drew a blank. So it was a lovely day of yummy food and just so delightful. I love that I ended the evening with the salad. I don't ever really get to do that, but I've been trying to do the whole salad on the weekend thing, so I got a head start. So I want to do that again this weekend. And I've got the romaine to do it, so I'm excited about that. You guys enjoyed my video today. Make sure you hit the like button, hit subscribe, and you can always support my channel further on buymeacoffee.com. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @thebusyveganmom. See you next time.